war and sexual abuse. The government of the Kingdom of Cambodia have proposed three main solutions in order to deal with this problem. Firstly, in order to avoid these people go to work abroad, the sending countries should educate those migrant workers such as how to contact to the ministry to recognize them as legal migrant workers, provide guidelines about where and what skills they are available and listen to work, introduce the right that they should be offered, and tell them the means to contact to the ministry or organization where there is an abusing happen. Secondly, sending countries must cooperate with the host country to create an organization, and this organization play a role to help those migrant workers from other violence. The third solution is providing incentive to employers to encourage them to promote and protect the rights of their migrant employees. These incentives are reducing tariff, awarding them, and reducing the cost of their business. Distinguished guests, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Kingdom of Cambodia believes that this solution will help to protect the rights of migrant workers effectively. Thank you. The delegate of the Kingdom of Cambodia would like to yield the floor back to the President.
Thank you, Representative Cambodia. The People's Republic of China, you may have the floor.